Give ate a kiss.
Yeah, today.
Hello. That's na ate. Akala niya yun yung ate niya. Kiss ate.
Kiss! Kiss!
Have a good day, okay? Yeah, I know. That's a song. Have a good day, my love. Honey.
Tama.
Tama, yeah.
Tama.
Tama, that's the song. We're gonna see Violet later. After school. Okay, sige na. Tama. Shh, sige na. Say good morning. I love you, anak. Come on. Yes, baby girl. Tama na ba na panorin? Hi, stay here. Favorite song ni Baby Celine. Nini, let's go. Nini.
A few moments later.
We're home. Hindi ko na dinala si Baby Celine natin sa park, guys. Although, nag-ikot-ikot kami doon sa school. Nilakad ko siya. Para maano naman yung energy niya. Hindi ko siya dinala sa park. Gusto niyang maglaro. Nasabihan niya ako na apply. Nakita niya yung park. Sabi ko, umuwi muna tayo, anak. Kasi alam niyo ba, dami kong kailangang linisin dito sa bahay. Yan. Mga dishes from last night. Hindi pa na ano. Kaya, sabi ko sa kanya, maglinis muna tayo, anak. Kasi later on naman, mamayang hapon, meron naman kaming gagawin. So, hindi sa wala siyang ginagawa or she's bored, diba? Mamayang hapon, yung, alam niyo yung friend or classmate niya, Ate Paris, diba? Pumupunta kami sa pizza shop every Friday. No, not every Friday. Kapag Friday at nandun sila, nag-meet kami doon. And then once, in-invite nila kami sa bahay nila for pizza night. I don't know if napanood niyo yung vlog na yun. Anyways, she messaged me. Meron daw some kind of disco, like kids disco sa park na malapit sa kanila tonight. And they have like food trucks and that. So sabi niya, would you like to go? Sabi ko, oh yeah. Daddy Mike work in the office today. So sabi ko kay Paris, later on, after school, and pick upin namin sa Daddy Mike, and then we can go to the park. Kaka-text lang ni Daddy Mike sa akin, guys. Alam niyo ba? It's not good news. It's not good news. Sabi niya sa akin, we'll talk about it later. Pero, apparently, yung rent namin sa unit namin na to, they will increase. I don't know when mag-start, pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, mag-usap na kami mamaya pag-gawin niya. But they will increase, $50 a week. And it's not good. You know? Sobrang mahal na niya, guys. You know, hindi ko lang na-share sa inyo sa mga vlogs natin. But obviously, Daddy Mike and I, nag-uusap kami about like buying our house kasi yun naman talaga yung main reason kung bakit kami nag-move dito sa Brisbane, di ba? Apart from beautiful weather, warm weather, mas cheaper yung properties dito kumpara sa Melbourne. Although, for the last year, nag-change yung lahat, guys, kasi yung demand ba? So, yung presyo ng mga properties dito ay tumaas rin. And I can't believe, guys, kung gaano kalaki yung changes from the time na dumating kami dito hanggang ngayon. Kaya nga ngayon, as mentioned, tinataasan na nila yung rent kasi yung demand nga. And pinag-usapan pa namin to ni Daddy Mike last week. Sabi namin, we're very lucky kasi hindi pa nagtaas yung rent namin. Kasi lahat ng mga kakilala namin dito na nagre-renta din, sinasabi nila sa amin na they're moving kasi nga yung rent nila ay sobrang taas na. Mataas na nga. Tapos, inaanuhan pa nila like ours, guys. If they're adding like at least $50 a week, so that's $200 in a month yung maa-add sa rent. And it's not gonna be good, obviously, sa sitwasyon namin kasi nga, since I'm not working as yet, parang si Daddy Mike, lahat yung, alam niyo yung nagbabayad ng mga main na mga bills. Yung naitutulong ko lang is yung mga little ones, yung mga, ano ito, mga grocery, yung mga ganun-ganun. But yung main talaga, yung rent, electricity, and all, si Daddy Mike. So, that's definitely something na kailangan namin pag-usapan kasi we've been thinking naman na bibili ng bahay. Actually, yung friend ni Daddy Mike sa work, he told Daddy Mike na kung gusto nyo, you can, ano tawag dito, you can go further. So, hindi, kasi we love Morningside, guys. Kung saan kami ngayon, gustong-gusto namin yung area, but for the size of the property that we want, kasi kung bibili kami, guys, hindi kami bibili ng ganito lang na 2 bedrooms. We need more space, especially lumalaki na yung mga girls. You want mermaids? Okay, we'll put mermaids on. So, if we want to get the size that we want, parang may sasacrifice namin yung area na gusto namin. So, even though gusto namin tong area na to, wala naman silang, well, kung meron man silang house, kasi gusto namin house talaga, maybe, I don't know, maybe just $1 million maybe, or maybe 900, I don't know. Kasi yung unit na pinuntahan namin last time, 2 bedrooms lang yun ha, tapos unit, it was nearly like $700,000. So, you know, that's something that we don't really wanna pay kung 2 bedrooms lang, di ba? Kailangan namin ng at least 3 bedrooms, and sa size na gusto namin at sa price na gusto naming i-spend, ay kailangan namin medyo layo sa syudad. Malapit kasi kami sa city, guys. Like, malapit kami sa mga, close to everything, I should say. Kaya medyo mahal talaga yung presyuhan dito. So, sabi ng kasamahan niya, Daddy Mike sa work, may bahay sila sa Ipswich. So, I don't know, maybe 45 or 45 to 1 hour siguro from the city, and it's not gonna work as well. Well, it's gonna work maybe for Daddy Mike because Daddy Mike takes train. Well, now walang train kasi nilalakad lang niya, tapos ferry, very close lang kasi. But if that happens, kailangan niyang mag-take ng train, and it might take a long time yung travel. Although, nag-work naman siya from home, but still once or twice a week, kailangan niyang pumunta ng office. So, I don't know if that's gonna work. Anyways, if yun talaga yung path na mapupuntahan namin, we have to make things work, diba? Kung bibili kami ng bahay, actually guys, alam niyo ba yung rent na binabayad namin ngayon, it is like enough. Like, actually, pambayad na yan siya ng mortgage kung gugustuhin lang talaga namin. But because we want the area, dito kami, and hindi kami apply ng mortgage, ay yung bayad namin sa rent ngayon ay dapat sana sa mortgage na yan. So now I think like because they're going, they're putting the price up. So siguro talagang pag-uusapan namin to ni Daddy Mike ng maigi ngayon na yun na nga, bibili na ng bahay. Kasi, meron na naman kaming deposit, guys. Meron na kaming, alam ko, marami sa inyo na, bili ka ng mga ganito, ganyan, pambili nyo na lang ng bahay. It's not as easy as it seems. Yung iba kasi, parang akala nila na, bumili ka niyan, dapat sana binili mo na lang ng bahay. Hindi ganun, guys. Hindi ganun. Dito kasi, bibili ka ng bahay, you have to go through mortgage kasi wala ka namang $700,000, so $1 million, diba? So you have to go through mortgage. Kailangan mo lang ng deposit, which is in our situation. Meron na naman kaming deposit kahit nung nasa Melbourne pa kami. Kaya nag-move kami dito kasi yun nga yung gusto namin gawin. But in order to get the mortgage, I have to get back to work. So, the main reason is kahit na meron kaming pang deposit and Daddy Mike is working, we can get a house naman, but not the one that we want. Kasi, kung si Daddy Mike lang yung mag-a-apply for mortgage, konti lang yung mahiram niya. Kasi, isa man lang siya. Isa siya lang yung nag-work. Tapos, may 2 kids, diba? The bank will assess everything. And, kailangan lang kung magkanong pera lang yung may papahiram. So, kung kaming dalawa ni Daddy Mike ang nag-work, as long as yung sa akin kasi guys, I have to get back to work to get the payslip. Kasi, para sa bangko, kapag dalawang payslip yung nakikita nila, more chances na i-approve nila yung higher na loan na gusto naming kunin para mabili namin yung bahay na perfect size for our family and for the area na maybe we'll just have to learn to love the area, bagong area na maanuhan namin. Kasi I am pretty sure na hindi dito sa Morningside kung saan kami makakabili. Kasi it's wala tayong million guys. But yun na nga, kailangan kong bumalik ng trabaho para maipakita kaming payslip na dalawa kaming nag-work sa household na to. And yeah, that just means that I have to put baby Celine in childcare. And yun naman yung plano guys. Next year, yun naman yung plano ko na I'll put Celine in the waiting list para sa childcare. Tapos next year, kasi hindi naman yung diretsyo. I think you have to be, like working constantly for 6 months na payslip. Ipapakita mo sa bangko before nila i-consider, 'di ba? So hindi ngayon kung mag-work ma ako ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin na kaagad-agad ay makakabili kami ng bahay kasi hindi naman pag-apply ng mortgage agad-agad, 'di ba? So kailangan maipakita ko na 6 months straight na payslip. So it means it's not gonna happen now. It's definitely if I go back next year to work. Yeah, it will be like later next year maybe or even to 2025. So, I wish it's that easy, guys. Alam niyo ba dito sa Australia, yun lang siguro, normally yung mga tao dito may mga bahay, no. But most of them, I'm pretty sure it's through mortgage, guys. Kasi wala akong kakilala siguro na kaagad-agad merong $700,000, $1 million, ganun, 'di ba? So normally, yung mga tao talaga dito ay through mortgage. Unless pinanganak ka talagang mayaman, yung family mo mayaman, hindi na kailangan mag-mortgage, diretso na lang cash, 'di ba? But yeah, that's very rare yung pangyayari ng mga ganyan. Kapag kapag napamanahan ka, ganyan, 'di ba? Yung mga nakakatanda, mga parents or grandparents, ganyan, pamanahan ka ng maraming pera, doon pwede makakabili ka agad ng bahay. But most of the time, it's mortgage talaga. And yun na nga. Kailangan ko nang pinag-usapan naman namin ni Daddy Mike to, guys. Kailangan ko talagang bumalik ng work para makapag-apply kami ng mortgage and then we can get a house. Especially this one is definitely, helping us to push na we have to do things soon. Ali, anak! Ito ang aking baby Celine. Come here. Wawa naman ang aking baby Celine. Ay! Mamimiss ko, guys. Alam niyo ba? Yung ating baby Celine, kung kailangan na niya dirty na lang. Childcare. Bigyan na din ikaw, baba. Say, dito. Happy. Naiiyak na si mama na nag-iisip ba na. What is it, baba? That's dirty. That's what? You want banana? No? Banana. Yeah. Oh. Kailangan na childcare ni baby Celine kasi si mama need nang bumalik ng work. Dito din kasi guys sa Australia, hindi ka diretso-diretso enroll ng anak mo sa mga childcare. May waiting list yan, guys. Kailangan ilagay mo yung name. Alam niyo ba, may kakilala ako doon sa playgroup kahapon. She has been everywhere. Hindi ka makakapili ng anong gusto mo kasi kung ano yung may available first, dun ka. So, yung sa kanya, alam nyo ba, ano pa, hanggang next year pa daw, ang may spot na available. So, ito siya, kailangan na talaga itong ilagay sa waitlist. May magbantay kung mag-work na si mama. Okay. Okay. You like banana? Oh my Lord. Diyos ko guys, uy. Kailan ba tayo mananalo ng loto nito para hindi na tayo mag-mortgage? Para, ano na? Cash na house unlock. Kaya nga, yung iba, ang bilis-bilis sabihin na, bakit hindi bumili ng bahay? Ganito, ganyan. Kung ganyan lang talaga kabilis bumili ng bahay, ginawa na namin, guys. But it's okay. We'll get through it. We'll find a way. Diba nga sabi nila, when there's a will, there's a way. We'll figure it out. Yun na nga yung kasi, ibig sabihin sa Ate Paris, kailangang i-move ng school. Diba? There's lots of things na But, sana, ko lang ha, sabi nila, it's better na mag-move sa Ate Paris ngayon na maliit pa siya. Kasi, I know, like, she's got, friends already and all that. But, mas mahirap yung, yung malaki na. Saka pa mag-move. Dito kami ngayon sa Japanese na restaurant, guys. Malapit sa bahay. After picking up Ate Paris, wipe it lang. Ate Paris from school. Dumiretso kami dito.
What is fishing?
Yes. Yummy, Lini?
Okay, Mom.
Okay, Mom? Show me thumbs up if you like it. Ay, shush. Alam niyo ba, pumunta kami ng kasi yung op shop dyan lang sa gilid, diba? So, ayan. May nabili akong dalawa, jeans and top. Bumili na rin ako ng sweet chili sushi. Ito ayaw may inom. So, nihintay lang namin yung guys, yung oras. Kasi, do you wanna change your clothes lang? Or you wanna go like that? Change? Okay. So, we're gonna go pick up Daddy Mike from the ferry station. Katapos niya. And then we will go, I don't know, na-mention ko ba kanina, guys? So, my kids, I think, na-mention ko kanina. So, kids disco, Ate Paris and her friend is going.
Our friend Violet.
Yeah. So, park. So, hindi pa kami nakapunta sa park na yan. Is it near Bunnings? Really? Is that what she said?
Yeah. It's not the one inside, it's the one outside but near.
Okay.
Well, we're not sure what it is.
Cool. So, may food truck sa doon. So, doon na kami kakain mamaya. Friday naman, so it's pizza night. So, even though it's hindi pizza yung dinner namin. We'll see. Maybe they have Filipino food truck there. How's school today, Ate? What did you do? Anything exciting? Kagubot na na yung buhok.
Nothing exciting.
Nothing exciting? Can Mama have some, Lini? Can Mama have a drink, please? Thank you for sharing. That's very kind sharing.
Nini?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy. And Nini. Mama, we have a new student. She came last week.
Yeah? A girl or a boy?
Girl. Her name is Sienna.
What is it?
Sienna.
Sienna? Nice. Siya yung Hindi ko ng points, guys. May change yung father. Gusto nilang laro dyan. Kailangan mo nila ng $2. Big girl na talaga sa ating Paris. Kasi siya na yung hindi pag-usap.
$1 and tea.
Give the other $2 to Celine. What do you say to Mama? What do you say to Mama? Celine! What do you say to Mama?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. What do you say to Mama, ate?
Thank you, Mama. Mom, just shake it down or down.
Up to you.
I said I don't care which one you should down. Actually, we'll do it first.
Ate, do it first lang. Wait for your turn.
Actually, let's
Okay, help her, ate. Oh. Which one? Which one, Lini? This one? Do you want this one? Stretchy? Lini, do you want the stretchy one?
yeah.
Actually, no. Just get the same one. Away na pud mo. Look!
Oh my God, I got two.
Wala, may naiwan siguro dyan kanina, nak. But no! Maybe someone left it.
Yeah, I got two. Two times so.
Help, Celine.
I just put inside.
No, I think one, someone left it there. Ambi na lang na, Bi. Ang $2 nak, Bi. Nak, just give me the $2 lang. You've got one each naman, Bi.
No, it's okay.
There for next time lang.
No. I'm another side.
Okay, sige
Which
na.
one do you want? Which one do you want?
Maybe the top one. Nasurtian sila to, ha?
Do you want that one?
Okay. Ina.
That one?
She. Nanganad. Nanganad.
Anyways.
Yay! Good
Yeah,
girl.
see,
We'll open it in the car.
It was funny the first time because when I just swallowed it, there were two.
Yeah.
There was one.
Okay. Oh no, she was the other one. Just give it to her. Okay, let's go.
Can you open mine?
Really hard. My gosh.
Yeah.
It's very
Mom.
Okay. Wait. Okay, just colored. Kahit ba kay Ana?
Just the door. Just the la.
Careful na, bumayang ka na lang.
Just the door.
Okay, I'm wondering what's inside.
Open.
Open.
Close.
Close.
Open.
Ooh!
There's
Do you
stuff.
have it?
Mommy, you open it closer. Open.
What's inside?
Yeah.
Tingnan nyo. Ito yung laman ng kanilang $2. That's so cute!
Baby. That's baby.
That's baby dinosaur.
Can I hold it? Okay.
Baby dinosaur.
Because I share.
Okay. Good girl. Okay, kahit ba kay Ana?
Lane, and you have to learn how to share.
That's right.
She always.
You gotta share, okay? You can't
She
just
keeps
like...
saying no. Like that.
There you go.
Thank you.
Come.
It's Nini's.
Lean it. Okay.
Hi, Pingo.
Nak, grabe ka kahit.
And look at him, he's so cute. So little tiny.
So it's now 4:30. So pwede na kami after dito pwede na kami pumunta sa ferry station.
How can I
Doon na kami maghintay.
Hello. Open dots.
Look, anak, it's very hard lang there you go.
I got squishy dinosaur.
Oh my god, that's so cute. What is that? A spider?
I don't like
Oh, you don't like it? Oh, she doesn't like it. Squishy.
That's really
So it's just colored. Ito lang ang $2.
Right, so it's so sticky.
Mabuang ko ba? Lanak, have a look lang, Lini, look at the spider. The incy wincy. Tingnan nyo. The spider is picket.
No, baby.
Nak, share lang. So, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung binili ko sa op shop. I think I got like a really good deal sa nabili ko. So, I bought 2 stuff. I've got this Levi's wedgie straight. Alam nyo ba? Funny story, right? Ayan, wedgie straight. Years ago, actually 2 years ago, nung nasa Melbourne pa kami, gusto ko talagang bumili nito. Actually, bumili ako, pero meron ako sa bahay, pero malaki na siya. This is size 26. Yung sa akin sa bahay ay 27. So, medyo, malaki sa akin. So, this one is 26. It fit perfectly sa akin, guys. Tinry ko siya. This is like new. Tingnan nyo. New siya. New. And yung jeans ko na yun, guys, binili ko pa galing ng Amerika at binayaran ko doon $100 and something isa. Ito siya, yung binayad ko dito ay $25 lang. Ayan. Yes, anak. And share, anak. Share talinin, anak. And yung length niya is perfect for me. And then the second and the last one is this top na hindi nyo makikita yung kanyang, hindi nyo ma-appreciate yung beauty niya kung hindi siya naisuot. Pag naalapat na siya sa katawan, guys, sobrang ganda na niyang tingnan. Actually, they look really nice together. But I think this will look nicer kapag maybe
Mom, where's the purple one?
darker na
Where's
jeans.
the purple one?
You were holding it before. But this one is from White Fox, size small.
Our sage just disappeared.
Sobrang ganda niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kapag naano na siya sa katawan, very nice. Alam niyo naman ako, guys.
And guys, do you wanna see my toy?
So, yun lang. Anyways, tingnan anak. I got this one for $15. So, in total, 40 siya. But then, meron akong points. Maganda dyan sa shop na yan din, guys. Kasi meron silang points. So, naka-earn ako because I've been buying from that shop. Naka-earn ako ng 25 points. For $25. So, ibig sabihin, libre na to siya. Ito na lang yung binayaran ko. And then, next time, meron na naman akong points. Diba? Ito sobrang ganda. Hindi to nagamit talaga, guys. Itong dalawa na binili ko, hindi pa siya nagamit. The only downside sa shop na yan is wala silang pangkin. Pero nakakakuha ako ng mga magagandang deal sa shop na yan, guys. Grabe. I'm very happy with my finds today. Sobrang ganda. Bagong-bago sa presyong affordable. Affordable. Okay, stick lang?
Yeah, very sticky. See? It stands.
Ala. Where's the purple?
A few moments later.
Diyos ko, Lord. Nalobat ang aking phone. Yung isang maliit na phone yung dala ko, guys. Ayun yung sana makita niyo. Yan. Daming tao. Ayun yung food truck. Hello, ang daming ang saya naman. Ang mga mga food trucks. Kakauwi lang namin, guys. Ngayon na nakapag-vlog. Nawala ng camera doon ay. Tingnan niyo. Black na si Inday. She's very tired. Wow, naman. Laway-laway. Diyan ko muna nilagay kasi kailangan kong clean yung bed.
Do you know what's inside it? Lamb.
Parasis.
Yeah.
Having kasi nag-stop kami sa Hungry Jack's.
Lamb and spinach.
Bumili lang. Tingnan niyo.
Is this green spinach?
Yeah. Do you like it?
Drinks. And then, dapat sana kay Baby Celine. Tulog man siya.
It's for Lily, but she already slept, so Mai's gonna have it.
And you're so bulingit. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang mukha. Hala! Look lang.
Did you
Where have you been?
Did you
Playing.
tell your audience
Grabe,
that?
sobrang laro niya, guys, doon
No,
sa,
it's happening on Monday.
Dusty.
How did my face get dusty that I didn't even look down?